everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Brie. I talk about all things vegan and cruelty-free beauty, and today I'm going to be using the Terra Moons Cosmic Wanderer palette. I've used this 2 times technically. I haven't really been able to do like a full review. I've been super busy, so I've done really kind of quick looks. So far, one thing I will say, probably unpopular opinion, I'm kind of like, it's a grievance. So the shimmers so far have creased on me. And I use an eyeshadow primer. I use one from Milani. I also like the one from Smashbox. So far, I've only tried the Milani one. Today, I'm trying a different one. Today, I'm using the Sandbar Shadow Light Longwear Eyeshadow Primer, which I got in my Boxycharm a few months ago. And then also NYX Glitter Glue. I have used it with glitter glue, without glitter glue, and it still has crease, like pretty much like right here. So today, also, instead of using an eyeshadow to set my primer, I'm using a translucent powder. I'm just using the one size translucent powder because it's pretty mattifying. I'm dry everywhere else except for my eyelids. So anyway, let's get into this. These are the colors. I haven't even swatched this palette. Like, I'm really excited. I have used Vega. I have used Allura. And I have used Trundulum. And First Light, which is absolutely beautiful. And I think it was Pades. That's it. So, yeah, I want to give this a fair chance. I don't know why it's been creasing. It's just kind of weird. I don't usually have creasing issues, especially when I use an eyeshadow primer, and I always use an eyeshadow primer. I was at Ulta today because I was working and I was swatching a bunch of eyeliners, so, and some stuff just to see. I don't know. There's so many products. So I'm gonna go from darkest to lightest today. I've been liking that kind of look. I'm gonna take this shade, and we're also gonna do swatches and all that kind of stuff. And my ultimate, like my final review, at least, like this is the 3rd look I've done. Okay, so I haven't used the purples. So I'm gonna do like purples, blues, greens, obviously. Okay, so I'm gonna take this shade. I have not used Electra yet, which is a purple. There's some kick up, but not a lot, especially this shade is not a lot. Only thing I wish it had a mirror, but that's fine. Okay, good purple. I need a mirror. I'm using my Spook palette for the mirror. It does stay up well though. Some palettes, they don't like stay up as well. This is a good purple though, I like it. It's not like changing colors. You know, sometimes purples like they turn gray or brown or whatever. Okay, it's not patchy at all. I'm gonna take a little bit, I think I'm gonna blend out with the shade Soleil afterwards, but I'm gonna do my outer corner. I think I'm gonna do Chromosphere would be kind of cool. It's like kind of like a teal green. There's a little bit more kick up in this, but it's not bad. I also didn't have any fallout, which was nice with this, even with the shimmers. So, which fallout doesn't always bother me, except for when it's like excessive, where it's like all over your face. And yeah, this is a beautiful shade. Okay, and then we're gonna blend out using the shade Soil. I don't know. I don't know what, I don't speak a lot. I don't speak any other language except for barely English. Okay. I don't know what brush I want to use. I guess I'm going to try, actually I do like this. Okay. Just a boop, boop, boop. Not a lot of powder, like kick up at all. Definitely feel like you could build this shade, which I might do a little bit. I'm just taking it little by little. I put NYX glitter glue on. I hope it works. I've done this with and without glitter glue. Okay. God, that's so pretty. What's I got going on right now? Planet X first. Oh. Wow. And then look. Like, no fallout. Wow. Wow. I don't want you to crease, please. And let's do, I'm also going to do shimmers probably in the lower lash line too. Ooh, I kind of want to do, I should have done Gravity. You know what? We're just going to do it. Ooh. Okay. A little bit. I don't know if it did anything, but let me try this side. Ooh, yes it did. Oh my god. Wow. Okay. Woo! Pigment girl. Oh my god. And then let's do Altair. Oh, it looks pretty. I haven't even done swatches. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Wow. I'm gonna blend this, don't worry. I know it's looking messy right now. And then let's do Aurora. Ooh, oh my god. All right, I'll be right back. This is gonna be all blended. And we're back, just a little different. I bought a couple things at Ulta. I broke my no buy. We're gonna talk about this. I'm going into like a low buy. Okay. All right, so lower lash line, let's take Alara first, or Alara, and put that in the inner part. It's like a deeper kind of like teal. Why am I starting in the middle? Because I haven't decided. And then taking the shade Triangulum, which is like a very deep, 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 deep blue. We're gonna shade Ocean from LA Girl on my waterline. Let's see, inner part. I'm gonna take a shimmer. And for liner, I also did like black, but I also did like a little bit of shimmer because I put eyeshadow on top. And take Aurora. Oh yeah, that looks cool. I like how it kind of like brightens the eye, but like adds a little bit of something, something. And I'll go back and blend and stuff. For inner corner, I'm taking First Light, which is, God, this shade just looks, I mean, I'm gonna clean this up a little bit with a matte, oh my god, look at that. Matte brow bone shade. Oh. Look at that. Okay, so far no creasing, but I think I'm gonna do like an update throughout the day. Here's my finished look. So far so good. So far no creasing. I can see. But I will show you guys throughout the day. My eyes are very watery, but that has nothing to do with the creasing. Like it wasn't, like they weren't watery when everything happened, but I will show you guys throughout the day how it wears, how it looks, all that kind of stuff. Because I know a lot of people, they do like, not shading anybody, but a lot of people do like first impressions, and then they do like, oh my god, it's my review. Like I haven't even tried all the shades, blah, blah, blah. I think, let's see, have I tried all the shades? Yes, I have. Okay, so I have tried all the shades. I actually have almost all of them on my eyes today, except for Vega, which I have worn before. My first look was with Vega, and I just blended all over my eyes. And then I used First here on my inner corner, and then on my lid, and that's literally all I did that day with no glitter primer and it creased. Yesterday I used Alara and Platus and First Light and a little bit of Triangulum, and it's still creased even though I use glitter primer. Today I set with a loose powder, like just a loose, you know, setting powder, so maybe that's it. I don't know. Maybe it's, I thought it was me, I thought it was a primer. Yesterday I did a live with Gourmand Girls and Ashley Loves Dinos. I'll link the video down below. And I used my Gourmand Girls Spook palette, and I didn't have that issue, so I don't know. But like I said, I'll show you guys what it looks like throughout the day. But I love the shimmers. I really do like everything. Like everything blended out super, super well. But yeah, I just want to give you guys my honest and true review. I paid for this myself, okay? This is my first time using Terra Moons. I've heard great things about them. I've wanted to use them for a really long time. Even if it does crease, I'm still going to use it because, I mean, who's the one that notices? Me. So yeah, I will be back with my check-in. So my eyes, of course, were watering, so some of my liner was right here. And I did put a little bit more on because it was getting cracky because, again, my eyes were watery, but, like, pretty good. So, yes, with me, I would recommend using at least with me, like I said, with me, I think it worked out way better setting it with a translucent powder to really mattify my eyes. If you have really oily eyelids, that's what I would recommend. I don't know if it's just me. It's probably just me. But, yeah. so far, so I'm really enjoying this. Like, I love the shifts and the sparkles. I'm just in my room, so this isn't my usual lighting, but the liner wore well, and the bronzer. I'm using some new products. Stay tuned for reviews. So if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a like, subscribe, and let me know winter season person or a fall, like Halloween season person. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.